Now, this is the problem with you trying to treat your ADHD. First of all, it's extremely time consuming. In some countries, it takes up to 2 years to be even able to get to a place of diagnosis. And after that, if you need to pursue any techniques to be able to adjust your life around your ADHD, it'll cost you thousands and thousands of dollars in weekly coaching or therapy sessions. Now, this to me is very counterintuitive because part of having ADHD is people struggling with executive functioning, time management skills, and organizational skills. So you having to show up for a long period of time to get to a place of getting help, that's a problem. That's where I come in. I have gathered the awareness, the tools, the skills, the techniques, and the knowledge that you need all in a beautifully packed package that appeals to your ADHD brain in a 14-day course. We'll cover all aspects of this, from medication to sensory sensitivity to productivity to emotional regulation to this and that, and I'll throw in a few free tools for you as well. Leave it up to me to make it effortless for you and then teach you how to go through life effortlessly with your dopamine deficiency and your ADHD brain. All of this for the cost of you taking a friend out for dinner. And even then, if you try this course out for a full week and you don't like it, return it to me and I'll give you a full refund. That is how confident I am in my product. So it's up to you. You can either go to dinner or skip dinner for one night, give this course a chance, and then watch your life change for the better. You deserve this. You deserve this. I hope you know that, and I hope that whenever you're ready, you purchase this course and we can go through this together, not you alone. And I want to see you come out the other side one step closer to the life you deserve with ease and a freaking smile on your face. I love you. See you on the other side.